In this lesson, we're going to look at the set method update. And what update does is it will update a set by including elements from another set. So this is very similar to union. However, instead of putting two sets into a third new set, we're just updating the original set with the information from the second set. So let's clear that up with an example real quick. If we say set1 equals, we got Alice, we got Bob, we got Charlie, and for set 2 we have Dan, we have Erica, and gotta fix that real quick, and we have Alice again. Okay, and then we're going to run this as set1.update, and you pass that set2, and we're going to be printing set1. So when you run that, you see you get Charlie, Erica, Alice, Bob, and Dan. So what this has done is it's updated set1 and it's added Dan and Erica, but Alice was already in there, so it's not duplicated. It's still in there. It's not excluded either. Just the same way union works, but with the information just going back to the original set.